Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll learn how to draw a Ford Mustang car step by step. And stay tuned because we'll color it in with just one click. Ready to start our artistic journey? Let's roll. First, let's draw on grid art paper. This will help us get the proportions of our Ford Mustang car just perfect. Follow along carefully, and remember, it's okay to pause and rewind if you need more time. There we go. You've got your Ford Mustang ready to roll. Now, for the fun part. Wow, look at that. Our Ford Mustang is all colorful and ready to hit the road. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting art lessons and magical moments.